In hyena society, it's the females that dominate. Every member has its own rank, and the most powerful of all is their queen. From getting the most food to the chance of having a larger family, she gets the best of everything. But now it's a critical time for the South Clan. Their queen is dead, and her throne is for the taking. The clan faces a power struggle. Who will be the new hyena queen? With the death of the South Clan's old queen, her 2-year-old daughter, Sia, should be next in line. The crown normally passes from mother to daughter. But Princess Sia is too young to take power. The throne has been seized by another. This is Suma, the South Clan's new queen. The support of allies is vital for not only taking power, but holding on to it. Suma has managed to gather enough backing to take the top spot, but it's the worst possible time to become queen. Liwa is in the grip of the most extreme drought in living memory. There's been little rain for 18 months.